Which stock should you buy? Well, the Sortino ratio is actually the question you should be asking. How do you determine investment risk? Let me explain it in very simple terms. And I've done a very detailed article about this for you on my blog, campaignforamillion.com/blog. What it is imagine there are two cricketers and both average 50 runs a game. Okay, and you might say, well, they perform equally well. And people always ask, so how's your performance, Alpesh? Which funds perform better? What they should be asking is, what is your Sortino, Alpesh? And the reason is this: you can have two cricketers both getting 50. Their average return or performance is 50 per game. However, one of them might get a century or a duck in a given game, and the other always gets 50 and then is out. So one is incredibly consistent, i.e. low risk, not volatile to the downside. The other one is incredibly volatile. Which of the two players would you pick? You'd obviously pick the lower volatility one. Well, that's what the Sortino is measuring, but by looking at downside volatility. Now, as a hedge fund manager, I can tell you it is probably the most asked about formula from our investors, pension funds who invest in us. They will ask us, what's the Sortino? They won't ask, how was your last year? Because they know the chances could be, the dangerous chances could be that we just maybe put a whole shed load of money in shorting Bitcoin, for instance. So we had a great last year. But what is the level of consistency and the volatility that delivered those returns? And it's the ability to look beneath the hood. That's what Sortino does. So when we're creating a portfolio for professionals, or we're teaching you, and this is the important thing, we're teaching you on how to build your own portfolio, we want stocks which individually have relatively high Sortinos. Now, it's not a guarantee that they will continue having phenomenal, great returns, but just so you know, in our research, and we shared it with you, because you might say, where did you get this from? Well, the Journal of Portfolio Management, of course, being a hedge fund manager myself, in any event, William Sharp's work from 1966 on portfolio measurement, if you want to have a look at that. Yes, Nobel Prize. Okay, AQR Capital Management, one of the best hedge funds out there. Morningstar, Financial Times, all of these different places which explain these things. So at least you know where the sources are from which we got this. And yes, would you believe it was developed by a man called Sortino, and it has become incredibly, incredibly important because before that, what the mistake people were making wasn't just that they were looking at performance, but the mistake people were making is they were treating volatility to the upside, i.e. outperformance, as just as bad as underperformance. Well, as you and I know, if your stock is volatile to the upside, i.e. just keeps on spiking higher and higher and higher, that's actually the kind of company you want. Okay, it's the downside moves you don't want. And in a way, what the Sortino is also measuring is how quickly do the stocks spring back to maybe their long-term average, their long-term trends, which is essentially something else you want to know. Now, it's not the only formula you would ever use. You would, of course, look at the valuation of a company, the revenue growth, the dividend yields, and so on. But what's really important about this is notice how I didn't talk about Iran or the narratives in the stock market, because statistics can give us a heck of a lot of data about a company, just like the balance sheet, the cash flow statement, and the P&L. Sadly, what private investors do is they make the mistake of trying to gamble on news, which is incredibly difficult to determine what the next thing is most likely to be in the movement of a stock, compared to balance sheet, cash flow, P&L, and the statistical movement of the price itself, especially if you elongate that time frame from trying to work out what it's going to do in the next 5 minutes to which direction it might go, let's say in the next 12 months. And again, the Sortino is an essential part of all of that exercise. So I hope you'll have a look at the blog and the detailed article that we've done on that on campaignforamillion.com/blog, or just go to alpeshpatel.com. You'll find the same URL landing page there. And don't forget, if you would like a free portfolio pension review, alpeshpatel.com is also the place you'd go to. Thank you very much.